Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty of Life. I'm here with another new video for you. In this video today we will learn about another new letter, new sound and more new words. So are you ready everyone? Then let's start. Look at this picture. Do you know which letter is this? Yes, this is letter S. Say everyone, letter S. Do you know what is the sound of letter S? The sound of letter S is S. Make the sound S. Now we will learn some word for letter S. Are you ready? Let's start. S for sheep. S for sheep. S for snail. S for snail. S for sailboat. S for sailboat. S for submarine. S for submarine. S for school. S for school. S for sun. S for sun. S for socks. S for socks. S for stairs. S for stairs. S for sunflower. S for sunflower. S for sky. S for sky. S for stars. S for stars. S for smiley. S for smiley. S for sunglass. S for sunglass. S for snake. S for snake. S for sink. S for sink. S for star fruit. S for star fruit. S for strawberry. S for strawberry. S for soap. S for soap. S for squash. S for squash. S for sugar cane. S for sugar cane. S for spider. S for spider. S for spinach. S for spinach. S for snow. S for snow. S for sleep. S for sleep. S for shell. S for shell. S for sweet. S for sweet. S for sweet potato. S for sweet potato. S for saffron. S for saffron. S for sesame seeds. S for sesame seeds. S for salt. S for salt. S for soil. S for soil. S for sea. S for sea. S for spade. S for spade. S for sofa. S for sofa. S for stingray fish. S for stingray fish. S for shark. S for shark. S for sweet lime. S for sweet lime. S for sponge. S for sponge. S for sugar. S for sugar. S for star anise. S for star anise. S for squirrel. S for squirrel. S for snapdragon. S for snapdragon. S for snowdrop flower. S for snowdrop flower. S for shaddock. S for shaddock. S for sapodilla. S for sapodilla. S for snowman. S for snowman. S for starfish. S for starfish. S for statue. S for statue. S for snowflake. S for snowflake. S for spoon. S for spoon. S for sheep. S for sheep. S for sandwich. S for sandwich. S for Caesar. S for Caesar. S for sharpener. S for sharpener. S for sand. S for sand. S for seesaw. S for seesaw. S for shrimp. S for shrimp. S for skateboard. S for skateboard. S for scarecrow. S for scarecrow. S for street. S for street. S for semicircle. S for semicircle. S for seeds. S for seeds. S for sister. S for sister. So these all are the S for words. यहाँ पे जितने भी वर्ड्स आपने सुना वो सारे वर्ड्स में S का साउंड क्या आ रहा है? स. So what is the sound of letter S? The sound of letter S is स. S for और भी बहुत सारे वर्ड्स होते हैं. यहाँ पे एक वीडियो में जितना पॉसिबल हुआ है मैंने आपको दिया है. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को एक लाइक कर दीजिएगा और बहुत सारे बेबीज़ तक इस वीडियो को पहुंचाने के लिए वीडियो को प्लीज़ शेयर कर दीजिए और ऐसे ही और सारा वीडियोस पाने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. टेक केयर. बाय बाय.